Hey everyone, Sumon this side from Marketing Wikipedia team, and now we are going to make your business mail. So what is business mail and how it's look like? So it's look like this: Sumon at marketingwikipedia.com, or it can be support at marketingwikipedia.com. So see, here your mail come up with your domain name, right? So when you mail someone with your business mail, it automatically creates credibility. Okay. So now let's create your email. Now go to the email accounts, select create. Now select the domain from here. I already created a subdomain which is test.marketingwikipedia.com. Select this. Now choose your username. It can be your name or it can be anything: admin, support, HR, anything. So let's select it Suman. So the email look like this: Suman at the rate test.marketingwikipedia.com, right? So generate a password. A random password is selected. Save this. Now the storage space unlimited and simply create. So let's see. Uh, so see, this is our email account. And now, how can we manage your mailbox? For that, you need webmail. So for checking mails, you can check from here directly. The check mails. Open it. See, you can manage your mail from here, or you can do one more thing. Put your domain name slash webmail. Let's see. Marketingwikipedia.com. So here is it. Enter here. So you can log in from here with your email address and password, right? So now let's compose a mail at gmail.com. The subject is hi. Now sent. Now let's check our Gmail. It takes some time. Now let's check the spam folder. See, here you can see. Here you can see the email is sent. Okay. So now how you can make your email easy to manage? Let's say someone message you in your business mail, but somehow you cannot log into your webmail, but you have to reply them immediately. So what did you do? Now we are going to add a forwarder. So what forwarders do? So if someone message you in your webmail, it's automatically forwards the mail to your Gmail, and you can reply them with your Gmail, right? So now let's select the forwarder. Let's go to the forwarder from here. Simply choose your domain name, add forwarder, someone enter it the testmarketingmedia.com, right? So I want to forward my mail to someone 99 web enter it gmail.com, right? Now simply add forwarder. See, this one is added. So if someone message you in your business mail, you can directly message them with your 199 web at the gmail account, right? Now one more thing we are going to do, we are going to set auto response, right? So what autoresponder do? If someone message you, it reply automatically the sender. You cannot reply to every message immediately, right? But if you set the autoresponder, the sender will get pre-written messages immediately, and you can change the time sequence too. So now let's go to the autoresponder. Let's add an autoresponder. UTF is by default, so leave it as it is. So interval, this one. So if someone mail you automatically, they will get auto reply, right? But if you get another mail from the same mail ID in 24 hours, so let's select it 24, they won't get any email, right? So now let's select the email which we created, someone at the rate media.com, and from your name or your website name, let's say uh, market Wikipedia, the subject line, the now, and keep this thing simple. So the body, so write the messages you want to tell them, like idea, and you are now a family member of market Wikipedia, and we will be delivering you. All right, so keep it simple. The start immediately and stop never, and now create. Now let's check how it's look like. First select the mail. Now let's compose a mail. So this is email ID. Hi, I want to know about your services. Okay, send this. Okay, now let's check. I want to check from here, and you can go to the webmail from your domain slash webmail too, and it takes time. Okay, let's wait a minute. And now you can see after 2-3 minutes, I got the mail. Welcome from Marketing Wikipedia, and we are now a family. Okay, right. I hope you understand the autoresponder thing. So thank you for watching this video, and set your email autoresponder forwarder now, and because next session we are going to launch WordPress. The crazy stuff will be begin. See you in the next one.